All right, guys, this is question 23 from the June 2025 Algebra 1 Regents exam. Basically, they've given us a bunch of quadratics in different forms, a graph. They've given us a table of values. They've also given us two functions, and they want to know which one of these quadratics has an axis of symmetry of x equals 2, and that's the one we're looking for. So now, axis of symmetry is just the line that splits the quadratic perfectly in half. It always goes to the vertex. So the first one, we can just go, and this is the axis of symmetry, and that would be 1, 2, 3. So this will be x equals 3. So this is not the answer. Now, we got this table, and we're going to go look at the table if we need to, but let's look at the functions first. So we're just going to graph the functions. And remember, I told you guys several times, you should know what the menu is to find the axis of symmetry. So I'm just going to go here, grab the calculator. I'm going to enter this first function. So I'm going to go tab, and it's going to be 2x squared, 2x squared. Oops, that wasn't right. 2x squared plus 8x plus 8x. Press enter. And then from here, let me grab this. I'm going to go menu 684. And then if you hover over it, it'll tell you. If you look closely, it tells you that the axis of symmetry is x equals a negative 2. So that is not the answer. We're looking for a positive 2. I hope you guys did not make a careless mistake on that. And now we're going to go and we're going to look at the other one. So we're going to go, let's go here, press this, and we're going to enter the second one. It's going to be x squared minus 4x. Now, if you know how to complete the square, you can kind of see that the axis of symmetry is going to be, but let's go ahead and do it. So do this. Let me grab the graph paper, move it up. And then I'm going to do menu 684 again. And then I hover over it and it tells me that the axis of symmetry is x equals 2, which is what I was looking for. So the answer is 4. Now, let me go back, go ahead and answer this. So this is the answer. Now, let's say number 4 wasn't the answer choice. Then we could just take this table, we could use a spreadsheet, and then do menu 464, and we could take this table and convert it into a quadratic function of some type, and then we could graph it, and then again we can use menu 684 and find the axis of symmetry. But we didn't need to do that because the answer is number 4. All right, I'm done. Keep it moving, and I hope most of my students got this one.